Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So ever since I upgraded the grille on this 2016 Mercedes C300, a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey Flex, when are you going to upgrade to a lighted star? Well, I didn't do a lighted star in the first place because I got a really cool DISTRONIC STYLE star from DMP Car Design that just looked really cool to begin with. And also all the lighted stars that I saw online, I wasn't really a fan of. They looked just like the stock star. However, I did a lot of research and I finally found a star that I think will look great on this car. So let me show you the star and then I'll show you the install. So here's the new lighted star with the gloss black background. It looks very similar to the one currently on the car. So this is a twist style star. I've already went ahead and tried it on the stock grille and it fits, so I know it's going to fit the grille on the car. I'm going to go ahead and remove that star and then I'll install the new star on the grille. So it was a pain to remove that star from the grille, but now I can go ahead and install the new one and twist it onto the grille. Now I'm going to install the extended wires to the star, and then I'm going to route it behind the headlight. The black wire is the ground wire. I'm going to ground it to this screw right here because this is a nice metal surface. All I'm going to do is loosen it up, and then I'm going to tighten it down once I put the wire underneath the screw. For the power wire, I got access to the fuse box by removing the cover, which is just held on by two screws. And then I used a Testlight Pen to probe around all the fuses to see which one turns on with the car. And I found one. And the one that I found is actually this second spot right here. I already pulled the fuse out. And connected to the red wire, I used a fuse tap, and then I installed the existing blue fuse on the bottom, and I have a 5 amp fuse up top. And now I'm just going to plug it back in to where I pulled that blue fuse out, which is the second spot. So now I can go ahead and reinstall everything, reinstall the cover, and the star should power on with the car. Here it is. It looks great lighted up. It powers on with the car. And I did that by design because I wanted it to power on with the daytime running lights during the daytime. And of course, it'll come on with the headlights at night. But overall, it looks super clean. Just look at the quality of the star. Well, there you have it. Another really cool upgrade to the grille of this 2016 Mercedes C300. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.